Hi, I'm Mike from Autel. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to create a new key for this 2020 Honda Accord using the Autel Maxi IM608 Pro. Let's get started. First, establish a connection to the vehicle using the J2534 Maxi Flash JVCI, included with the IM608. Ensure that the tablet is connected to the internet throughout the programming session, and that the J2534 is connected with the IM608 via Bluetooth. It's good practice before any key learning or immobilizer procedure to perform a scan of the vehicle to ensure that there are no faults in the IMMO-related systems that might prevent us from completing our task. So let's get to it. Select IMMO on the tablet. Then tap the VIN icon to auto-detect your vehicle or manually input your vehicle's information. After confirming the vehicle and key type information, we tap IMMO Status Scan and run a scan to detect any fault codes for all modules related to the anti-theft system. In order to do so, we need to place a working key into the car. The ignition is on and we can start our scan. Our scan comes up green, meaning no issues were found. If a code displays unrelated to the immobilizer or anti-theft systems, confirm that it will not hinder the key programming process, and you can continue with key learning. But make a note to address that code later. So we will continue with key learning. Select Add Key Guiding. In this process, we will need to turn the ignition on and off a few times. Now we need to take our working key out of the vehicle. Now we can place a new key into the vehicle. A notification will display that the new key is now registered. If you have other keys that you want to learn, you can do so here. We don't, we just have one, so select No. Now we can check our new key to see if it works by turning the engine on or locking or unlocking the car doors. If adding the key failed, we can run a scan to see if the issue is related to the anti-theft system. Once adding is successful, we can run a scan to check if the vehicle has any issues. The scan also will confirm if the number of keys is correct and if the ECU is paired correctly. So that was the simple process for learning a new key for this Honda vehicle via the OBD2 port. Autel makes it easy for shop owners to create new vehicle keys, even if all keys are lost. My name is Mike and I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about the IM608 Pro or any of Autel's products, visit autel.com or check out our Autel YouTube channel for more Autel Training Academy videos. Thank you for watching.